I'm here with another unboxing today from Thompson. Today I have the IMILITIS, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, compatible replacement battery for an iPhone 6 1810 mAh high capacity Li-on battery, new USA TI chip A1549, A1586, A1589, repair kit, tools with adhesive and gloves, 6 battery replacement. And it came in an envelope like this. And there's the name of the company. And then it has information on the back. And when you open it up, it's packaged like this. They sent their card, their business card with some information on it. It has a QI scanner that you can scan, and it says to follow them on their social media for free gifts every single week. They got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And there's there. And then this instructions are right here. And it's got their, says we'd love to hear from you. And it's got the number you can call, and it's got their website. And here's some more contact information for them. Their WhatsApp number, their email, their Facebook, Instagram, and their Twitter. And then when you open this up, it's your instructions on how to install this. You get a set of gloves. You get all your tools and the adhesive. And then you get the battery itself. I'm not going to unwrap that. And then I am not sure what these are, but these were included as well. Like it would be in the instructions. All the instructions are there. All the information for where I got this will be listed down below. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, tick my notification bell, and you'll know when I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below or to any of the social media or email links listed below, and I will get back to you. Thank you.